Hello everyone, I am Shiny. Welcome to my channel Shinyjohnsonart. Today I am painting Santa Claus face, and firstly I am applying white color and using a 8 number brush, and the edge of the hat I am painting with white color. Then after that I am using a silver color to apply the edge of the hat. So applying silver color, edge of the hat, the border of the hat with silver color. So completely filling the edge with silver color. Next we are painting Santa Claus mustache with white color. So with white color, and then now after that so with the same white color I'm applying on the Santa Claus hairs, both the sides of the hairs with white color, and the same color applying for Santa Claus beard. And so now it's done. And now with gray color I am highlighting the edges of the and corner of the beard, and also giving a shape to that, just all the corners of the mustache, the beard, with gray color, highlighting it and giving the shape to the beard, the corner, every corners, and like sharp edges, sharpening all the edges of the beard, like the hairs the slightly that way and this way. And so now the beard painting is completed. So that is the edges is completed, and now the beard hairs one by one painting, that is sharp to sharpen the beard. So one by one the hairs can be seen highlighted with the gray color. So now it's looks that is a little bit of realistic look has come, and with the same gray color I am that is painting the mustache of Santa Claus, and with number 1 brush I am painting the ends and edges, the corners of the mustache and giving a shape to it by slightly zigzag way, this way and that way. So zigzag moving the brush in order to give a shape to the mustache edges, ends of the mustache. Then now again giving a shape to it, highlighting it. So now again the same thing repeated. So highlighting with gray color. Okay, now the gray, it's done. The mustache and beard hairs, and now coloring Santa Claus hat. Firstly with clean water, and then I'm applying color, that is magenta plus slightly red color, then slightly with blue color mixing. So this I have created this color. So I don't know this color name of the color. Now everywhere the hat, painting with this color complete part of the, and little bit I have uh, that is I have not completely colored the hat, slightly here and there I have left the, that is to give a realistic effect to for the hat, realistic effect, not more realistic, mine is not that good. So, and after that, so that is slightly we have to be careful while painting the edges, that is ends. Color should not get spread near the border of the hat where we painted with silver color, otherwise it will become undisturbed. The hat edges is silver color, there it should not come. So the places where I have left, so there it looks the realistic effect of the hat. And now with peach color, very light peach color, applying the, painting the face of the Santa, painting the face of Santa with very less color and more water, more amount of water and very less amount of color. And you can see very slowly I am painting, applying peach color, little bit of peach color and more water. So here the amount of water is more and color is very less, 3%. So now little bit of gray color, that is side where I have left painting, somewhere the painting is left, so I have to complete that. So the edges and side of where the, now with number 1 brush I am painting Santa Claus hat corner wall. So with white color I am painting, and then edges with gray color to highlight the, that is to give a shape texture of that wall, and little bit have left the color, so I am completing the hat corner. And now with pink color I am, and slightly with peach color I am painting Santa Claus nose and both the cheeks, and with same pink color and slightly little bit of gray peach color. So I have to complete the nose and cheeks of Santa Claus. And now with the same number one brush, I'm painting Santa Claus eyebrows. So it is sharpening the eyebrows. So it's highlighted, the hairs are highlighted. So the brush with number one brush, we have to paint such edges, and now I'm painting the eyelids, eye border. Now same way the uh, next eye, other one. And now with gray color I am highlighting the nose edges, that is ends of the nose highlighting. And now I have done with this painting. So Santa Claus painting and Santa Claus face painting is done. So this is the final work. Now it's done, and now the Santa Claus face painting is done. And if you like the video, please like and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.